Okay, we started. Still a lot of people are coming. Very nice. Very good. Okay, this Kavita I will accept it too. Okay, let- then I will go for concept map. So today I will show you how to research for a concept art and how to think about the panels. Okay, for that reason we will go to our previous classes where the stories was there. Where is the story? They had the stories. Okay, see. First, I will take a small story. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, people have been coming to the wise man, complaining about the same problems every time. One day he told them a joke, and everyone roared a laughter. Okay. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke, and only a few of them smiled. Then he told the same joke for the third time. No one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You cannot laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problem?" Moral of the story: worrying not solve the problem. It will just waste your time and energy. Okay. Let's see. This is a story of a village, right? Maybe we can if we take an actual TV camera, actual actors, actual old man, actual everything is there. So I need maybe we need a simple a village background that will be okay for me, right? So we have to research that how are what is the research matters for that method for that. I just want to open the Photoshop. I'll tell you what's the research matter for this particular thing. Can anyone guess what could be the research matters for that? What should I research for that particular uh, story?
You can look at
Mm-hmm.
village and the fashion style, maybe the housing style, architecture.
Mm-hmm. Anything more?
Um,
Yes, tell
you
me, tell me.
like big culture.
Yes. So first of all, I will check for particular shot is that what is the uses of the shot and where the shots is going to be used. So suppose the shot is like so this is a village. So the things is happening in a village. Okay. Then peop- um, peoples. Okay. One old man. Four. One background should be there. There should be a old man's house. Old man's house. Okay. And what should be the fifth one? Fifth one is suppose sitting position. Suppose in a one kind of say this is a throne type. I mean this should be like a sitting position for an for the old man. Okay, these things we have to be researched. So for that reason, what will do? I will take a village photograph. So I'll go. You can take your own photographs, or you can go for Google and research for village. Just search for village
Sir
photo.
is breaking a lot.
Yes, pardon. Hello.
Your voice is breaking a lot.
Voice is breaking. Mm, okay. Then I am going to chat. So I am stopping my headphone on, so you don't talk right now. When you're going to talk, I will tell you. Okay. If you have any questions, you can chat. You can give the questions on chat questions. Now it is clear, guys. Guys, please write anything in the chat question that it is clear or not. Okay, so good. Good, good. Okay, so then we will go for village. So I will go for suppose what will we search? I will search for village. What kind of village you can use? Village. Nice one, right? See, village. See, lot of images will come, lot of things will come in here, but we have to think like where I can put my own word. See, these kind of things are very nice, village kind of things, right? Right? So we can use this pictures as research. Okay, so save image as, then we'll go for here A15 research work. Okay, we'll go for one, save. Then I take this one. Okay. Again, I can only one thing is not enough. So we should have to take two, three more reference. Suppose this is a good reference. I think this is a good reference. Let's take this picture, save image. Like this kind of things, you can take these pictures. Okay. In this way, you can complete the portion of villages. So in this way, you have to complete a whole session. Suppose people. So then I will go for village people. So what I will do? We'll go for research. Oh, bapre, what is this? No. Hmm. Lot of things are coming. See, there are a lot of things as there that is coming as a village man. Okay. So I will take this some of the pictures as a reference. Suppose I will take this picture as a reference. This is a particular Gujarati style, right? So you can use it. Okay. Save image as. I'm keeping these all the things as a uses. Okay. Suppose this is the picture. See this kind of drawing we have to take. This kind of things we can use for our reference. Okay. Guys, do you have any questions? Please put there. Okay. I'm going to respond in this video question. See, I have got this village people. Enough I got. Okay. We'll take village female. I'll take village female for that. So I'm taking the references. Okay. So this is a good reference. This is a good reference for village peoples, village women or lady, or you can say I have taken these images. I could take these images. Okay. So all kind of things I am taking, I am receiving for for our reference purpose. Okay. It's not happening. Why don't know? Save. See, I have taken all the pictures uh, of people portions. Then I will take an old man. Then I will take this as a village old man, old man. I'll take single reference for that because it will help me to clarify or to be stuck in a particular pictures that can be used for our reference. Okay, guys. If you have any questions, please put on there. I think you can understand my words right now. An old man. Suppose I'm taking an old man like a reference of this, right? This is the old man. I'll take only one reference for that. Not too many things. It will, if I take lot of things, it will make me confused, right? So I'll take sorry, I'll take a single reference for my woman. Sorry, for my old man. Okay, save image as. Okay, then what I have to do? Old man's home. Here I will tell hut of old man. Why I'm taking this one? In this way, you have to search. You have to just decide, and you have to think for that. Is what you can do and how you can use your own knowledges, or you can take the pictures for that. Okay. See, I have already taken this kind of things, right? So sorry. Suppose I will take this. Okay. Or what I can take. Suppose I can take this. This is too much, but it will look good, right? Okay, save images. See, this kind of things I can use. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible properly? Okay. So what is there right now? Okay. What is the thorn for an old man? Okay. So what I will use, I will use in panchayat. I will use the word panchayat for that. But for my own thinking, I am using this one. Panchayat. Panchayat. See. I will take. This is one of the reference. This is one of the reference. I think so. No, it's not working properly. This will work good, right? This will work great. It look like great. What do you think? Yes. See. Sorry. Save images. I will use there. Okay. Any other reference is there? No, that's all. No other reference. This is also a good reference. Save. And any other reference? No, I don't have any other reference. Okay, good. So in this case, we have got lot of references. See, I have taken this is called research. I have completed my research one. Then I have segregated something. Okay, I will segregate it by the name of by the name of village. I'll make a folder like village. Okay, and I will take the references what I have already chosen on there on that time. Okay, so maybe I have used this one. Okay, new people that I have already used. So I will use this one. Any other things? This one, this lady I have already used. No more. So I'll take a reference for old man. See, this is the procedure of where you can use this old man house. Old man house. Okay. So I have taken these two reference for that. Then I will take folder. This name font. I am taking font. I'm giving like this. So I will take this. See, all the simplification has been done. If anyone wants to work with us, work with your reference, anyone can understand what we have to do. Next, I will think about. So the research thing has been completed. So research has been done. So what I have completed? Research. Research done. So if you have any question, please you can open your microphone and you can tell the questions to me. I am just plugged in the headphone right now. Okay. Just tell me your questions. Do you have any question? I think you should have some
No, sir,
questions.
no questions.
So can I questions for that? Can I question you?
Sure.
Okay. No problem. Then I told you regarding this particular story. If I tell you a story begins in a abandoned shopping mall, and a, a ghost of a little girl with white ground every day come to the shopping mall, the abandoned shopping mall, and enjoy. This is the storyline. Okay. So how you people going to research? Anybody? Anybody? Explain.
Sir,
Yes, pardon. I couldn't listen. Hello. Hello.
how did the story start again?
The story started like that in a abandoned or neglected shopping mall. A small, white brown child died near about 5 years back. From that day, the child has, yeah, this is one kind of horror story. From that day, the child come to this abandoned shopping mall in every night and try to find his toy, which one he has lost on this particular shopping mall 5 years back. So this is the storyline. In this way, the storyline starts. Okay. So how much? So that from that much information that I gave to you, what kind of research you will do, and what you will find, and what will be your segregation for that. Sorry. Sorry. Anyone? Anyone? Anyone want to tell something? Toy images? Yes. Guys,
I
tell.
think it's
Yes, pardon, pardon.
yeah,
Can you, can
mic
you,
isn't working.
or you can make it on, what did you say? Yes, abandoned shopping mall images. Okay. Next, toy images. Next, what the things? Can you explain? Can you just show me? Can you just tell me something? Say, search for that and what you will take. 5 year old, we can get a ghost image too. Ghost image, no. You should not take any ghost image for that. You should take a child image with white ground. Yes, cranky doors is nice. And others, what are the other things? Do you have access for Google? I have the access for Google. I'm just opening the Google. You tell me what I have to do. I'll open your. One second. Stop. Tell me what I'll search. There, everyone, please tell me what I have to search. What I'll do research. Hmm. Spider wave. Yes, good. Dusty environment. Dusty environment. Dusty or damp kind of things, right? Yeah. Broken clocks, stockpiled somewhere, yes. So what I research for? First I research for abandoned shopping mall, right? Which one you like to take? Suppose there are a lot of pictures are there. Would like to take this or that one? Which one you like to take for example? Tell me. Guys, yeah, this one is good. Which one? This one? Yes, good one. Okay, let's take this picture, huh? Save images. Suppose I'm making a new folder for that and save. Okay, next, only this image. Other images you don't like to use? Other images? Guys, please, other images. This one, this is busted, not like a abandoned one. This is one, no. So this one I think will be good one, right? What do you think? This one will good? Reply fast. Yeah, good. Mhm. So next, what you told that what I have to search for, we can use the structure. Which structure? If we can use the structure, but you should not use this particular this structure for that. I'll show you tomorrow. I'll use a very simple models for that from Maya and give some lighting for that, and we'll use this as a reference for that. Okay. Okay. Next, what you have to do? Yeah, but we have to reduce the brightness. Yes, we have to use the reduced brightness, and we have to we'll have to use we have to blend lot of pictures. Okay, or we have to research. Okay, guys. Anything guys want to do? Yeah, the child, the 5-year-old child. So what I'll do, I'll research for 5-year-old girl. You can use this as a reference, or else this is a very charming one, but we can use this one also. This is very smooth and a very nice one, right? We will use it as a reference. Okay. Next thing, white dress or white van. Good with white dress. Let's see. Yes. We can use this kind of grounds for that, or this kind of grounds, right? Or else this kind of grounds we can use. Let's see. Let's. I will take this one. Okay. Nice one. Nice images. We have already researched. Anything more we have to research from this particular sentence that I have told previously? I think that's enough, right? Oh yes, it's the toy. Not only toy, an abandoned toy shop, right? Abandoned toy shop. See, we have to take reference like this. Abandoned toy shop. Okay, the ghost will come and search for his own toys in here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, these kind of things, right? It's so scary, huh? See, these kind of things you can use. She will search for. Oh, I hate dogs. Why? D don't like you don't like dogs. Oh, God. Why? Okay, let's see. That's all. I think anything more? What about a broken jug box inside and light and for it? Hmm, yeah, that should also be. If you want to give, how much sweets you want to give, you can give this. Yes, you can use this. That should be a old style, right? Should be old style. Yeah, you can use this anyhow. Yes, you can use this. Okay, guys, I told what why I am telling this one. Why I am doing this kind of research because in future your assignments will come only with this. So I have completed your research part. You have to draw the concept art for that. Okay. So I will upload this thing. I will give these pictures to you, and you will have to make a concept art for me. Okay, or you can use your own things, but the theme should be like this. Okay, so let's go for the today's pictures. Sorry, today's uh, classes that we have to use. Okay, sir, I had questions. Can I do the storyboarding assignment in Illustrator? You can do this in Illustrator. Um, do you have any pen tab? Do you have pen tab? Do you have any pen tab? If you have any pen tab, you can use this Photoshop. That is today. This is the Photoshop classes, so I cannot give you the permission to work with this. You just have to draw a concept on about an abandoned shopping mall and a broken toy shop. That's it. No. I'm giving it. I have already given the research. Now I am doing this one. You can check out. Okay. Some background noises you can find easily. Okay. So we have what we have to do. We have to do some first. What is the story says? The story says that we this village people comes to him, right? So let's open the stories first. Okay, the stories came like this. So first of all, I have to show a village, a old man's house. I'm making the concept. I just what I will do. Okay, so I will take the references of old man house. Let's see what is there. Okay, it is like this only. So I can draw it easily, not a problem. I just take a reference for that and I'm drawing this. This is old man house. And see, as per reference, what I have taken, the peoples will come here to the old man. Where the old man is sitting, just he has a sitting place in here. See, the old man would sit in here. This is the rough one. Okay, don't take it seriously. This is a rough one. See, this is the rough one. I have completed. Okay. Next we have to do. Next, I have to go for the villages are coming from the different places. So what we have to do? A lot of peoples will be there. See, these are the peoples. I'm just making a small things. So these are the peoples. Okay, that I have planned. This is my number one. What will be the number two? Number two will be the this will be a village will be there. A lot of small houses will be there. Guys, if you have any questions, please mention it in here. See, the one village background I have to draw. I'm giving a very rough plan. Why I'm using this kind of rough plan? because it's change. Because after doing this rough plan, you have to show it to the supervisor or your mentor who is saying or who is working with you as a team leader or your guide. You have to show them this is my plan and this how I am going to use. I am going to draw this art. Otherwise, what happened? You have completed all your drawings and they neglect it. Okay, they reject it. That will be not. That will be a very bad thing for you, right? So previously you have to complete and you have to show them from this point of view. There will be a lot of changes will be there. Okay, but one thing is one thing is concerned that yeah you have done this thing. Here I am using a bigger half shot type design plans. These are the background. In between the background, lot of things will be there because there will be a shot when we have to show. See, lot of things we have to draw. The background is the village is the background. Got it? So I have planned for this. It is mostly done. The concept art. Next, then I will complete in a different way. But before that, the plan has been sketched out. The plan has been sketched out for that because it can be used in a different way. Okay, the plan has been sketched out. So there is two concept art. One is the view of the old man, and another concept art is the whole thing. I mean the village, the old man sitting position, everything included. There is two concept art for that. In a story, in a big story, there are a lot of concept art. 1,000, 2,000 concept arts are coming. But this is as a small story, it has only two concepts. Okay. So anything you want to include it, guys? Do you have any questions for that, or you want to add something? So I disconnected. Can you tell me again if I can do the assignment using Illustrator? Disconnected, right? Or you have telling? Oh, okay. Uh, D. Actually, what happened? You know this. You don't need to use Illustrator because it is the Photoshop classes. Whatever is there, you have to complete in Photoshop. Okay. When the Illustrator class will work, when the Corridor classes things will work, that time I will tell you to use it as a what is this as Illustrator. Okay. Guys, the research thing is complete. Do you okay. Oh. Oh, but yesterday you told me to do the story putting on papers. Yes, you can do it. Story. See, uh, when you are doing these things on papers, that can be transformed to the Photoshop. But if you are doing something on Illustrator, that can be transformed on Photoshop. But the same job you are doing in the different places. That is the main thing. Cannot tell you. You cannot give you these things, huh? Okay, guys. I think I have to complete. Do you have any questions? Let's see what is there. Anything more? Hmm. See, from that research, I will complete the whole story. Okay. Let's see how much I can complete today. Planning for concept art panels. Yeah. Panels I've already told you the concept panels will be done. Layout for concept art. That is the big thing. Layout for the concept art. Okay. So I will tell it tomorrow because tomorrow I'll have a Maya and I'll do it with you. Okay. So what is next? Next is that last Christmas story. Store concept or story. Okay, no problem. That I will do. Tomorrow I will do the layout and concept art as well as this rough sketches. Okay. Let's see. Do you have any questions? You don't have any question, right? Let's check the assignments. Oh, assignments. Let's check the assignments. How many assignments you have sent till now? If people are doing assignments, no? Otherwise, what will happen? I will complete all the things, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever things I have to complete, I will complete. But when I will ask for assignment at the last time, you cannot give this assignment. So you will just mention and just a simple time for yourself in a home where you can work on your assignments. You just complete your assignment and show it to me. If there is any correction, I will give the correction. In this way, you can develop your own skill as well as you can gain more marks also. Okay, there are masters there, right? Okay, let's start the assignment correction. Okay, first I want to see whom I am seeing. Niket Singh. Niket Singh is there. Yes, Niket. Please switch on your microphone. Let me talk with you. Niket, switch on your microphone. I want to talk to you. Okay. This is your reference card, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your reference place, right?
Yes.
Guys, one second. I have to call. हाँ बोल जल्दी बोल हाँ बोल हेलो हाँ क्लास में हाँ बोल बोल আমি ঠিক বলতে পারবো না দীপাকে জিজ্ঞাসা কর ঠিক আছে আমার রাখছি okay sorry guys I got a call that's why okay this is your reference another reference of the road right
Hmm.
okay so this is your final one okay am I right
Yes, sir.
okay let me it's you have tried good one but it has some corrections would you like to take the correction
Yes.
one second save see I want to open it from here itself okay let's do something okay do you have pen tablets
Yes, sir. I do have.
okay one second see the road this this the valuation of the road and the car is not the same see if you plane the car in here and the road is coming like The perspective of the road and the perspective of the car is going different. Perspective of the road and this is the perspective of the car. So you should keep the car like this only. With the align with the align with this road. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, the shadow. See here, the source of light is just left corner. See how I can understand this one? This tree has a shadow on this one, on this side, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this car's shadow should be on this position, up to this. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in every time when you're going to use this kind of match photo or photo matching like this, you use this clouds on a reflection of this window. Sorry, what is it? Say glass windows. Okay. Here you cut some of the clouds and put it on there and merge it with the blend it with the actual images. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for reflection. Okay, other things are good. Just you change this one, it will look good. You have a good try. Okay,
Okay.
let's see the next assignment of Gaurav. Mr. Gaurav is there. Oh, this is your final. This is your reference. This is your car. See, guys, the problem is this photograph has been taken from a little top. Okay, but this photograph is just like a horizontal photograph, so it will not match there. So change this photograph or change this photograph. Any one photograph we should have to change. Okay, Gaurav, are you online? Gaurav, okay. You change any one of the photograph. I know you're showing this one, but when I found these pictures, this is not your pictures are wrong. Sadev Khan, Khan Saab. Khan Saab again. What is the shadow? Khan Saab, what is the shadow? Khan, are you there? Sadev, are you there? Open your microphone and talk to me. They said you have just forgot the message. The shadow is not there, dear. See, the tire shadow should be there. I should have to check and I should tell you something. Okay, let me check it. Let me tell you something. You have chosen a perfect photograph, it's okay, but the thing is that you should have to use shadow like this. See, here you should have a shadow from the tire itself. I'm giving a rough photograph. See, light coming from the exact forward. So you should have to use this kind of things. Okay. So then, did you got me? It's maybe a little more. You should have to use like this. You should have to use that much things. Okay, you should have to use this one, and bigger this one, opacity. Have to use a more opacity for that. Like this. Okay, then you have to merge with the characters. Have you got it? What I'm willing to tell? Have you got it? One second. You can see the dark area. Yeah, there is, you have given dark area, but the dark area should start from the tires. Okay, got it? See, this dark area should start from the tires. Okay, and you blend it with the background. Definitely, you should blend it with the background. Dissolve. Not dissolve. You should blend with darken. Let's see. Okay. See, like this, you have to put something. Just experiment with the graph, with the what you can say, with the things. You can understand what you have to do later. Okay. See, this kind of things will happen, and there is so much brightness is there. You should have to change the brightness here. Brightness should be changed. Brightness should be changed. Okay. See, because for the brightness there is a white patches of skin. Like it's look like it's showing a white, showing from a white glass. Okay. Other things is really nice, very good. You have done a very good try. Just change this one. It will be best. Okay. It will be best. Okay. Next. Hmm. Next. What is next? Tomato. No need tomato. Excel photo. Actually, I told you yesterday, right? It's quite okay. Hmm. Okay. So we can use. Guys, you have to change it one. Who's this? Lijo. Lijo, are you there? Lijo, are you there? No, Lijo gone for sleeping, right? Okay, leave it. See, you all have followed that how I have completed this concept art things. Okay. Tomorrow we will do a basic concept art sketching. The day after tomorrow we will make it a coloring things. Okay. In this way we will complete those things. So this is okay for today. Do you have any questions? Oh, we have a lot of questions here. So I have the individual blog camera filter so modify my field. Okay. How to do the font one. So the format size and this the color you can see the dark area. Okay. This is the one. Good one. You can try this one. Okay. So do you have any questions here? Do you have any questions? Hmm? Okay. So I hope I can see your all your images, all your assignments in a very few times. Okay. For so good night for today. I'm closing it up. Bye. Bye guys. Nobody wants to talk to me. Are you angry? I have given a lot of questions. That's why you're angry. I hope so. I'm listening. Okay. Okay. Bye. Everyone. Bye. Thank you guys. Bye. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Okay.